Sticking with sci-fi, we also have a huge new kit for Star Trek. This is the next release for our 1/350th scale USS Enterprise. What this one is the pilot edition. So you can build this large scale Enterprise in 3 different ways. You can build it as the regular original series Enterprise, and then 2 different versions from the pilot episodes of Star Trek. So couple looks at the variations for this kit. You can see some of the other pieces that we have developed for the kit to make the pilot versions here. The taller bridge dome, different deflector dishes. It's got the right on here the nacelles, the front caps and the spindles. The rears of them, the rear caps of them are changed to do the 2 different versions of that, or 3 different versions of it rather. And just another really awesome kit. With this one too, being such a big box and so many different ways to build it, we have included in the box a full color guide for putting this together. So it's color coded depending on which version you would like to build of each ship. And you can see here all those full color guides, placements, where you put your decals. So it should be another great kit. Really excited to see how you guys build out these the pilot versions of these kits. So
hey guys, so I want to do another pre-order video for you guys to give you some information on something really cool that's coming up that you can get. Now, I did pre-order videos in the past. I did the Eagle Moss Build a Ghostbusters Ecto-1 when I had pre-ordered that back a while ago. I also had done the pre-order for the Space 1999 Eagle launch pad with lights and sounds. I'm still waiting on that, actually. And more Space 1999 things. I did a pre-order on the Space 1999 Comlock and the stun gun. Now, this was both for the electronic Comlock and stun gun, as well as the model kit version. And I have received the electronics. I did a video on that. That was really cool. But as of this video, this is October 2nd, 2021, I have not received the model kit yet. I don't know if that's out yet. In regards to Star Trek, I had done a pre-order for the Eagle Moss Build the Enterprise, the USS Enterprise D, and that was much anticipated. And a little closer to today's subject, I have done a pre-order for the Polar Lights USS Enterprise NCC-1701 pre-built model. Of course, there were no lights in that model, and you just put it together real quick. I think it had the saucer section, the secondary hull, and the nacelles. You just clamped it together and then put it on the base. You also had to put the deflector dish on. So that was a fun video to make. But today, I'm going to be talking to you guys about another pre-order kit from the USS Enterprise. This is from Polar Lights. The pre-order Polar Lights Star Trek, the original series USS Enterprise with pilot edition parts, 1/350 scale. The model kit is due out November of 2021. This is SKU number POL 993M. And to give you a little bit of information on this fantastic model, iconic spaceship. Build the iconic USS Enterprise from Star Trek, the original series, in one of 3 ways. First pilot, the second pilot, or the production versions. Large format. This 32-inch long kit is based on extensive research of the original filming miniature for authenticity. It includes a full-color assembly and decoration booklet. Features aplenty. The kit includes a full shuttle bay and tiny bridge. It is engineered to accept the Polar Lights 1/350 scale USS Enterprise light kit sold separately. The kit includes a large full-color decoration guide. Quick specs. The 1/350 scale model has over 200 parts, 32 inches long, molded in gray plastic with clear parts, water slide decal sheet, and pictorial assembly instructions. Skill level 2, suggested for modelers age 10 and up. Paint and glue are required for the construction of this kit. The perfect present. Don't know what to get Dad for his birthday? Or maybe you have an avid hobbyist or collector in your life. This model kit makes an ideal gift for any occasion. And it sure does. I can't imagine any Star Trek fan that wouldn't love this kit. Again, it's pretty similar to the pre-order that I had done for the 1/350 scale Enterprise that was pre-built and pre-painted. This one, of course, is a model kit, so it's not going to come built in any way. But interestingly, when they did the NCC-1701 premiere for the 1701 Club, they actually had in that kit, it was limited to 1,701 kits. And that's what made it special, because it was the premiere of the 1/350 scale Enterprise. Well, that kit had the parts packs that were available to make the pilot versions, the first, the second pilot version of the Starship. And incidentally, they had gone on to sell the parts packs separately, and I had done a video on that and on the 1701 Premiere Club. That was a really incredible video to make. The work that went into this model is just amazing. And this is, I've said it before, this is the Super Bowl of USS Enterprise model kits. You just can't improve on this. This is just amazing. To make them bigger, I'd love that. I would love a full-size one of the Smithsonian. I think that would be amazing, but that's probably not going to happen. But like I said, this is the Super Bowl of Enterprise kits. And that's what comes with this kit. Again, it's POL993M, and I'll put the link for the description in the bottom. Now, you can go to other model stores online and get it. This is from Auto World. Now, the Auto World is a direct link to the Polar Lights. They distribute right from the Polar Lights website. So this one might be a little more reasonably priced. It retails for $164.99. If you pre-order it from any other site, you might be paying more than that. But again, I'll put the link in the description, and I'll put it on the screen as well. But this short little video was for the pre-order Polar Light Star Trek The Original Series USS Enterprise with Pilot Edition parts. 1/350 scale model kit. And again, this kit is due in November of 2021. And this is going to be a great kit. Captain Pike's, you can make Captain Pike's ship or Captain Kirk's ship. From where no man has gone before, or from where Captain Pike was going to Talos 4 with the USS Enterprise. In any event, it's going to be an amazing kit for an amazing ship. And when it comes in, I'll absolutely be doing a video on it to share it with you guys. So I thank you for watching this quick little pre-order video, and I'll see you guys again real soon in another video. Thanks for watching.